Welcome to Sky Much. In a frictionless universe, how would you change trajectory of your motion? Let's find out. In frictionless universe, no air, no ground, no friction, just pure momentum. You're moving in a straight line. How would you change your direction? How? Failing your arms? Not gonna help. Without friction, you are stuck drifting forever. Wait, forever? Well, not quite. Yeah, there's a way to change your path by throwing things. Stick around and I'll show you how throwing a banana can save your life. So this works because of momentum. You throw things in one direction, you go in opposite direction. How does this happen? Let's break it down for you. Momentum is a product of mass and velocity. Basically, how much stuff you're moving and how fast you're moving it. So when you throw a banana, you give it some of your momentum. And Newton's third law states every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So when you throw banana in one direction, you go in the other direction. What happens if you throw something heavier than a banana? Let's find out. But what if we don't have a toolbox? What else can we carry to a frictionless universe? Some explosive option? Propulsion. Yes, we are taking rockets. Rockets are the best example of Newton's third law of action. Here how it works. Rocket burns fuel and shoot exhaust particles from its back at very high speed. These particles, which are at very high speed, goes in the backward direction and pushes the rocket in the forward direction. But what happens when there is no fuel? So no fuel means no thrust and no motion. You are stuck. Don't worry, we have one more trick, and that is gravity assist. It's kind of a cheat code in the space travel. So here's how gravity assist works. When you come near a planet, its gravity pulls you in, but you don't fall in the planet. You just use its pull to change your speed and direction. It's like stealing planet's motion. NASA has been using these tricks for decades. Have you ever heard about the mission Voyager? In 1977, NASA launched two spacecrafts, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. They used gravity assist to slingshot around planets like Saturn and Jupiter to reach a certain speed and to leave the solar system. That's right, gravity assist make them interstellar. Without gravity assist, it would have taken so much fuel, so much energy, and you got it all free. Now you know how will you change your direction in frictionless universe? Effortlessly. But before you go, I want to ask you a question. What happens if two massive objects will be pulling you in opposite direction? Will you float there forever? Let me know in the comments. I would love to see your crazy ideas, and thank you for watching.